This 2015 Little Guy.T.G is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Little Guy is 13 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 2, air conditioning, stovetop burner, TV, and 5 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2015 Little Guy.T.G is 1,115 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.